The history of mankind is a succession of permanent challenges and problems. The constant search for solutions and answers to these problems is the key to our evolution. Solutions capable of changing the world and the way we live, capable of overcoming barriers and frontiers, and of leading the way to the future. Thanks to different scientific and technological innovations, modern societies can now benefit from a level of comfort and well-being never reached before. Today, science and engineering offer solutions for all our needs, solutions that are accessible and easy to use, and that improve our quality of life significantly. However, every day mankind is confronted with new problems. Environment, health, energy, communications, and industry are all areas that continuously bring about new challenges and new questions that demand not only new ideas from scientists, but also creative solutions and innovative answers. And for that, there is INESC Porto. Established in 1998, the Institute for Systems and Computer Engineering of Porto is one of the largest, most important and prestigious institutions in Portugal and in Europe in the areas of science and engineering. INESC Porto is a private non-profit association recognized as a public interest institution and acknowledged with the Statute of Associated Laboratory in 2002. Its aim is to offer society and companies the tangible results of its vast and multidisciplinary scientific and technological research. For that, INESC Porto has a large team of scientists from different universities from all over the world, with levels of knowledge and experience that make it possible for the institution to compete with any other scientific organization, both nationally and internationally. INESC Porto's units permanently develop innovations with a real and positive impact on a global scale. Solutions of excellence that contribute to the improvement of quality of life, to strengthen the efficiency of the services, or to increase the company's productivity. INESC Porto is the best partner for organizations that want to invest in excellence, in quality, in differentiation and in innovation.
O INESC Porto é uma instituição tecnológica com alto potencial de oferta no âmbito da inovação pelas suas competências e que oferece às empresas parcerias de desenvolvimento muito grandes e com muito interesse para as políticas de inovação das próprias empresas.
From Portugal to the United States, from Brazil to Japan and Australia, millions of people from all over the world are benefiting from solutions exclusively or partly developed by INESC Porto. INESC Porto performs in 7 great areas of competence. One or several research units, with their own organization, are dedicated to each area, developing specific research work. However, units or groups work together in networks, exchanging knowledge and experience, promoting complementary and interdisciplinary work, and allowing INESC Porto to offer complete and global projects. INESC Porto is one of the most important institutions in Europe in power systems, developing projects in advanced areas such as smart grids or in the integration of electric vehicles in the grid. This work constitutes the foundation for solutions capable of incorporating electricity originated from renewable sources, especially wind power, in the electric grids. These are innovative solutions that make sure that the systems operate under strict criteria, such as safety, robustness and efficiency. Countries such as Brazil, Greece, Hungary and the USA have been adopting solutions proposed by INESC Porto for the storage and management of renewable energy through systems provided by large national companies like INESC. Both in Portugal and in Spain, INESC Porto is the entity responsible for a strategically important study where the aim is to assess the safety of the electricity supply system of both countries until 2025, in order to avoid power failures. But the solutions provided by INESC Porto also include the universe of telecommunications and multimedia. In this area, INESC Porto has been developing innovative projects based on original and creative approaches.
O INESC colabora com a Casa da Música no desenvolvimento da Digitópia. A Digitópia é uma plataforma informática que permite a qualquer utilizador, seja ele visitante ou estudioso da matéria, de criar, partilhar e divulgar a sua música em suporte de computador. A colaboração com o INESC tem sido fundamental na coerência e na coesão que deu ao projeto, e na medida em que os passos futuros para este projeto passam muito pela experimentação e divulgação de novas ideias, encaramos com otimismo a colaboração no futuro com o INESC Porto.
From multimedia technologies and systems to wireless and mobile networks, from network architectures to optical communications, INESC Porto is one of the most active scientific entities in this area at an international level. Two of the main European projects on the rehabilitation, restoration, preservation and dissemination of cultural heritage, Mosaica and HNO, benefit from INESC Porto's expertise. Mosaica, for instance, is an advanced web platform that makes it possible to search for multimedia contents based on knowledge and to present that information in an intelligent and interactive way. The project's main area of application is the access to information on Jewish cultural heritage, although it can also be applied to several other areas. As far as information systems, computer graphics and computing sciences are concerned, INESC Porto has a large and diversified team whose work has already been acknowledged by important organizations, both nationally and internationally.
A atividade da PT Inovação é fortemente dependente do conhecimento. O conhecimento é a matéria-prima que transformamos em produtos inovadores e diferenciadores para os nossos clientes. Essa matéria-prima é trabalhada com um conjunto de parceiros, dentre os quais se destaca o INESC Porto, que pelo seu dinamismo e capacidade científico-tecnológica nos tem ajudado a alcançar o sucesso que temos tido.
International projects such as ICT for Depression, MEDSI, RIA or CALIX have all benefited from the active contribution of INESC Porto's teams, with their own knowledge and technology, which constitute solutions for concrete problems in multidisciplinary areas of collaboration, such as medicine, oceanography, civil protection and e-governments. CALIX, for instance, is a powerful and innovative medical monitoring platform that makes it possible to monitor the state of health of elderly citizens, remotely and in real time. This remote monitoring system allows elderly citizens to maintain a normal active life, safely and peacefully. A fundamental part of this work is complemented by INESC Porto's vast competencies in computing sciences and artificial intelligence. INESC Porto also develops innovative projects that allow companies to become more and more competitive, efficient and productive, rationalizing their resources and shortening their delivery times. Through its specialized teams in manufacturing systems and industrial management, INESC Porto is capable of doing a strict diagnosis of companies' structural problems and thus design a plan for the reorganization and optimization of processes, developing the most suitable technological tools to help companies improve their performance. An example of that is the one-step production process technology designed by INESC Porto. Thanks to this revolutionary manufacturing concept, the company Kaiaya, holder of the footwear brand Fly London, increased its productivity by more than 15% and managed to reduce its production times by 50%, executing 4 shoe models simultaneously in the same assembly line and with the same amount of human resources. This is an innovative tool that is helping to turn the Portuguese footwear industry into one of the most competitive and modern in the world. The SMS bus project is yet another successful case that had a large public impact. This is an intelligent system targeting the users of STCP, public transportation system, who can use their mobile phones to know the real amount of time that they have to wait for the bus to arrive. Turnkey solutions developed based on the most advanced scientific and technological knowledge taking into consideration the specific needs of each company and economic sector. Among INESC Porto's differentiating competencies and technologies, it is important to highlight robotics and artificial intelligence. Work groups and teams develop highly specialized systems based on mobile and autonomous robotics, or practical applications in diverse areas such as industry, logistics, services, health, and also decision support. Projects such as Flu-Pole Paint, which is a robotized painting system with artificial vision, the Mini AVG, which makes it possible to easily develop robotic platforms for flexible production lines, or even RobVigil, the first surveillance robot in the world, are some of the examples that include knowledge and technology cultivated at INESC Porto. In the field of artificial intelligence, it is important to highlight projects such as MORE-WAC, used to monitor and forecast water quality parameters, developed in collaboration with Águas do Douro e Paiva. INESC Porto's work in the field of optoelectronics and electronic systems is also acknowledged internationally. The vast amount of research work that has been developed thus far in this area, especially in the universe of optical fiber sensors, has already led to the development of multiple innovations with revolutionary applications used all over the world. Thanks to optical fiber sensors, INESC Porto has been offering new solutions for specific needs in diverse areas, including engineering and construction work. With this technology, it is possible, for instance, to effectively and rigorously monitor all kinds of infrastructures, from bridges to dams, buildings and flyovers. This is unprecedented work in Portugal. As a result, INESC Porto created Fiber Sensing, a technological spin-off company that is a world leader in the development, production and installation of systems based on optical fiber Bragg sensors. This company exports 80% of the material it produces, and its client list includes Airbus, General Electric, Siemens, Martifair, Refair and the European Space Agency. With the European Space Agency, Fiber Sensing developed the project SO1, an optical filter based on high-resolution micro-optics that can measure the levels of gases responsible for the greenhouse effect on the Earth's atmosphere. Fiber Sensing is an excellent example of entrepreneurial projects born at INESC Porto. But there are other good examples. INESC Porto is one of the institutions with the largest capacity and experience at a level of technology-based business incubation. As far as innovation and technology transfer are concerned, INESC Porto has been contributing decisively to the promotion of entrepreneurship and to the sustained development of businesses that use scientific knowledge to obtain solid commercial results. INESC Porto does not only provide a physical space, but also transfers technology services to spin-off companies. In fact, its technical teams follow, guide, support and improve businesses based on their entrepreneurial experience, knowledge and insight. Currently, there is a vast set of products developed by technology-based companies related to INESC Porto, available on international markets. At INESC Porto, we believe in creativity, innovation, cooperation, and in the power of knowledge and technology. With these values, we believe that it is possible to change the world, to make it a better place for us all. For that, we work relentlessly on new ideas, on projects that are truly original. We generate knowledge, and we turn it into useful products that will serve society, the environment, and the economy. Always with the best results. And we're just getting started.